Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can buy items from Sugargoo. Okay, so if you don't know this, just in case, Sugargoo like acts as middleman. So when you buy an item from Sugargoo, you are not actually buying it from them. They are just you are just buying this from Chinese websites, like for example very popular Chinese websites. They don't ship to your country, or it's very hard to buy from them because of the language. Even if you translate to English, it's very hard. The translation is very wrong, so it's very hard. So what Sugargoo do is they buy these products from Chinese websites, and then they ship them directly to Sugargoo warehouse. Okay, so when you ship them to Sugargoo warehouse, they can send you real images of the product, and you can also decide if you want to purchase it, if you want for it to receive it or not. If you don't want, they can always like refund you, and then they can then send the item back to the websites, which is like Chinese websites, and then you can get your refund. Okay, so here is how it works. When you buy, you have to pay for the item, and then they can go and purchase the item for you and then ship it directly, like I said, to Sugargoo warehouse. So what you guys need to do is you can either enter the product link from you can get it from Chinese websites like Taobao or whatever, whatever website you want, sorry. Yeah, you can just find whatever product you want, and you can then in my case I'm just going to select this one, for example, or you can just search for the product here. Okay, just enter, for example, iPhone case or whatever. Now in my case I'm just going to try here to search for the product, but of course you will have to sign in into your account. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do right now. Okay, I'm going to click on sign up. So after, guys, you log in into your Sugargoo, here is the product. As you can see, I got it from this Chinese website, and then I can, like, as you can see, this is the product, and I can let like Sugargoo buy this product from me, and I can also see the real images. Okay, so yeah, that's exactly, guys, the purpose of Sugargoo. They buy the product from for you. Okay, so here you want to select the color. I'm just going to go with this color, and you can also see here the price. So the price here is $4. This doesn't include the shipping fee. It says here merchant sends the Sugargoo tracking center free. Okay, so this will be sent to the Sugargoo for free, as you can see. Okay, so you don't have to pay for the shipping from the Chinese website to Sugargoo. It's free. So you can only pay the shipping price from Sugargoo to your house or to your country. Okay, so now you just need to enter here the like you just need to enter the color, which color you want. You can also leave a note here, okay, for Sugargoo if you want them to do something. Now after that, you can click on agent buy, or you can add to cart. Click on agent buy, and after that you want to click here where it says good to pay, as you can see. And when you click on good to pay, you will have 71 hours to complete the payment or to pay for the item. Okay, you can use PayPal if you want here, and after that you want to click on pay now. Okay, it's going to take you directly, guys, to your PayPal. That's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to log in into my PayPal, and then you want to click on login, and it says here getting your wallet. Okay, so I'm going to pay here. Okay, continue to review order. So yeah, it says one more step. Okay, so as you can see, guys, after you pay, you will have to enter your address. Like Sugargoo will require your address so that you can ship it to you directly, guys. Okay, so inspection and warehouse, you can see good and inspect confirmed before being placed in the warehouse upon arrival. And then here select items logistics, pay for international shipping, have the package delivered to your house. So after you get the item, you will have to pay for the shipping. Okay, it's not very expensive. especially if you are living in United States. But if you live in Africa or something, the shipping is going to be a little bit expensive. So that's exactly, guys, how you can do this. It's very, very simple. Hopefully this one, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next tutorial. Drop a like and see you.